Hi everyone, it's Joseph here, lead product tester at Machine for You. And as you can see in front of me is a Brother 950i electronic knitting machine and a KG95 Garter carriage. Have you ever struggled casting on using your Brother KG95 Garter carriage on a 950i knitting machine? If you have, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you 20 easy to follow steps to cast on using this KG95 Garter carriage. But before we start, I want you to take off the main carriage, the K carriage of your 950i knitting machine and put it away safely. We need three things for this video. First, your Garter carriage manual, your 950i knitting machine book, and the Stitchful 1 book. Step 1. Connect the Garter carriage adapter to the wall socket and then to the back of the knitting machine. Step 2. Connect this yarn sensor to the yarn tension unit. We're going to insert this end of the yarn sensor into the yarn tension unit, like this. Step 3, we're going to thread the yarn through the yarn sensor. And then we're going to clip this here. As you can see, the lever is not touching the sensor. Step 4, we're going to switch on our 950i knitting machine. Step 5, now we're going to set up the Garter carriage on the main knitting machine bed. We're going to bring the Garter carriage from the right side of this marker. This is so to let the machine know that a Garter carriage is now on it instead of a main carriage. And when it senses the Garter carriage, this lamp, red lamp between the pattern and position, this red lamp will lit. Grab the Garter carriage with both your hands, pushing this lower part with your fingers. And now we're going to slide it across. Gently. And make sure it sits properly. That's it. And as you can see now, the Garter carriage lamp is lit. This means the machine knows the Garter carriage is on it now instead of the main carriage or the lace carriage. Step 6. We're going to check the needle in the Garter carriage if there is one in there. If not, you can insert it by pushing this up and inserting a new one like this and then putting it back. Step 7, we're going to thread the yarn through the Garter carriage now. So take the yarn from the loop and now push this back through. Make sure it's moving smoothly. Close, and you can tight it to the G-clamp. Just to show you again how the yarn has been threaded through the G sensor. Step 8. Plug the power adapter cable into the Garter carriage. And then we're going to turn the knob clockwise in order to achieve 001. For step 9, we're going to bring forward the desired needles to B position. Needles we want to garter stitch. For this example, I'm going to bring 20 needles on each side of 0. So you're using your needle pusher, just push them forward. Step 10. We want to make sure all the latches on the needles are open. If they are not open, use the latchet tool here to open and close. So you want to make sure all the needles brought to B position, their latches are open. Step 11. We're going to change the levers now. At the top of the garter carriage, we got 3 levers. The top, middle, and the bottom. We're going to turn all to the right. Okay? Step 12. We're going to use the garter carriage manual, and we're going to turn to page 13. Heading cast on. And it's this section we're looking, electronic knitting machine. And we're going to follow this now. So if I zoom in onto the column, as you can see, it's in ready state. So first we're going to push in 990, then the M key, then we're going to push the M key again, and you can see the pattern lamp is lit. Now we're going to enter 901. And as you can see in the book, we're going to push M key now. And we're going to keep repeating M key until the ready lamp is lit. And you can see it's now ready. Now we have programmed the computer for the first row, so we can go ahead and press the green button. So step 13 is press the green button now. And we're going to stop by pressing the red button once the garter carriage go past this needle, the 20th needle on the left. Step 14, now we're going to stop the garter carriage by pressing the red button. Step 15, we're going to hang a cast-on comb now. For my purpose, I'm going to use this short cast-on comb. So pull the yarn gently. And let it sit. Step 16. Now we are going to decide which garter stitch pattern we want to knit. This can be done by looking into your stitch world book, and it is from page 1 to 6 G carriage patterns, and they're covered up to page 130. The one I'm going to knit is a 547 pattern, this pattern. Step 17, now we're going to program the garter carriage pattern we just selected from our stitch world book into the console of this 950i. To do this we need the KG95 garter carriage book, and it is page number 17. This section we're going to do page number 17, and it's this section. So I'm just going to follow that now. So first, as it's already in a ready state, so I'm going to press 990, and then as you can see in the book, page 17, push the M key, and then as you can see, we're going to set all the pattern variation switches to lowercase and all the pattern selector to lowercase. So let me just zoom in. These are the pattern selectors. It's in lowercase, and these are the pattern variation, the 7 pattern variation. They are all in lowercase. So that's done. And next, as you can see, we're going to push the M key and then the pattern number. So let's push the M key. And for my purpose, for my project, I'm knitting pattern 547. So it's 547. And then, as stated in the book, we're going to push the M key again. And then the CF key. Now we are ready to garter stitch. Step 18. Now we're going to let the garter carriage know how many stitches we want it to do before it stops. We're going to tell them by turning the knob clockwise, I want it to go 50 stitches before it stops. So 50 stitches. And we're going to turn the levers at the top. So there are 3 levers. The top 2 levers, we want them on the left. And the bottom lever, we want it on the right. Step 19, we are now ready to garter stitch. So we can start it by pushing the green button now, and it will automatically stop after 50 stitches. As you can see, the garter carriage has automatically stopped after 50 rows. 20 is to take the garment off the knitting machine. For that, we're going to cut the yarn and take it from underneath the garter carriage. We're going to turn the knob clockwise so it goes 1 row automatically. And then we're going to switch it on again. And there you have it. The garter carriage stopped automatically. And there you have it. We have made a beautiful garter stitch pattern following the 20 easy to follow steps. It's the pattern 547 we wanted. and you can see. Thank you for watching my video, and for more videos please do not forget to subscribe to my channel.